Hello people, in this video we are going to see a stock which can give you crazy returns in short term as well as long term. So please see the full video. We are going to do a detailed analysis, and if you like my content then please do give a like and subscribe. So let's start with the video. Welcome to Investo Brain. Let's see the returns of the stock first. In 10 years, this stock has given 3016% return. In 10 years, 3000% of returns. Wow, crazy. This type of returns you get when you hold a good company stock for long term. This is the reward for long term. This kind of a returns you will not get in short term. This is the reward for long term. That's why you should hold a good company stock for long term. Let's see further. In 5 years, 1577. Not bad. What crazy returns this stock is given, man. In 4 years, 525. Crazy. In 3 years, 447. In 2 years, 534. Wow. 1 year, 591. In 1 year also, stock is giving crazy returns. Yeah. 6 months, 210%. 3 year, 134%. 1 month, 38%. 1 week, 12%. This stock has given 12% returns in 1 week. FD give you around 6% in a year, but this stock is giving double returns than FD in a week. So you can see the returns of the stock. This stock is giving crazy returns in 1 day, 1.19%. That's crazy. Pix Transmissions Limited company makes rubber products. About Pix Transmissions. Pix Transmissions Limited, established in 1982, is the fastest emerging global leader in power and fluid transmission business. It is engaged into the manufacturing of world-class quality industrial and automotive belts, hoses, hose assemblies, and end fitting to suit various power drive needs. So most of the people will not know by these terms what is this automotive belts, hoses, hose assemblies. So you all will not get this. So I'll show you some pictures of their products so you will get an idea about their products. So this is the website of Pix Transmission Limited. This company's belts are used in this kind of vehicles, as you all can see, heavy vehicles, agriculture vehicles, as you all can see on your screen, mining vehicles. The rubber belts are used in this kind of automotives. So let's see further on here on website. Let's read this about Pix Transmissions. We are leading manufacturers of belts and related mechanical power transmission product in India. The company features state-of-the-art belt manufacturing units as well as an ultra sophisticated automated rubber mixing facility. Pix Transmission Limited enjoys significant brand equity in the power transmission industry with strong local as well as global presence. The company has overseas subsidiary operations in Europe and Middle East, in addition to over 250 committed channel partners in over 100 countries worldwide. So the company is situated worldwide. That's the plus. 5+ decades of expertise and experience, 120K plus extensive product range. Wow. 6 global locations, 100+ countries global footprint. So the company is available. So the company is available worldwide. Company is doing its business worldwide. So that's the plus point for the company. You can see the products of the company. Belts, these are used in heavy vehicles like trucks, agricultural vehicles and all. I have showed you all mining vehicles like mining machines and all. You can see these belts, these powerware products, accessories. You all can go on this company's website and check the company's products, applications. You all can see over here in this type of vehicles the company's belts are used over here, as you all can see. Pix has got the best infrastructure in the industry, which is not only taking care of existing expanding needs, but it's also sufficient to accommodate its further expansion plans. The fully automated mixing plant commenced its operations from June 2009. Also, its upcoming state-of-the-art facility of rigid mandrel hose at Bazargaon will help in attaining an extra edge over its competitors in terms of added product range at competitive price. So let's see some fundamentals of the company. We have discussed what company do and all. It makes agricultural belts, garden belts, automotive belts. You all know this now. So let's see further some fundamentals. Market cap of the company is 1,212 crores, as you all can see over here. Stock P is 18.4. Return on capital employed is 27.6. Not bad. Current price, as you can see, 889. Book value of the stock is 220. That's nice. Return on equity is 24%. Nice. It is about 20, so it is great. High and low, you all can see. The low was 125. Wow. And the high is 930. So the company is close to its all-time high. Dividend yield 0.56. Face value 10. Let's see further. Pros of the company: company has reduced debt, company is expected to give good quarter results, company has delivered good profit growth of 58.68 compounded annual growth return over last 5 years. Nice, man. Cons of the company: the company has delivered a poor sales growth of 11.13% over past 5 years. This is due to corona. Let's see further what we have. Quarterly results, we have it from 2018. Let's see, in 2018 June quarter, let's see, it was 80, then September 70, then 75. Let's see from 2020, then 85, then 60, 102, 108, then 130 sales. Let's see operating profit. As you can see, the operating profit is also growing. Earlier in 2018 it was 16, now it is 35. Good growth. Margins of the company, operating profit margins are also good. Let's see net profit of the company, 22 of 2021. Let's see profit and loss statement of the company. We have data from 2010. Wow. So we can see 10 years data. In 2010 the sales were 171, then in 2015 they were 212, not a big jump. Then in 2021 380. This is a good jump of at least 180 crores. Okay, let's see further what we have. Let's see profit, net profit. In 2010 it was minus, the company was not earning any profits. Then 2 crores, then 3, then 106. What a growth suddenly. Then 8, 4, 7, 16, 23, 29, 30, 65. So the profits of the companies are also growing. Earning per share, as you all can see over here, it was 16, then 20, then 22, then 47. It's growing. That's a good sign. 1 second. Compounded sales growth, as you all can see. You can pause the screen and see this balance sheet of the company. Let's see further. Reserves, the company has reserves of 286. In 2015 it was 136, now it is 286. It has doubled, so that's a good sign. Borrowings of the company in 2010 it was 203, and now it is 71. And 5 years back it was in 2016 125, earlier 135, then 128, 105, 113, 101. So the company is reducing its debt, as you all can see over here in this data. The company is continuously reducing its debt. The debt is not huge too. The company can easily pay off this. Okay, let's see further. Let's see further. Total assets of the company. The company is having total 440 crores of assets. Cash flow from operating activities, we'll see. This is the main thing. In 2010 it was 46, then 42. Let's see from 2015 it was 32, then 64, then 27, then 31, then 47, then 52, then 35. I think this is down due to COVID-19. But cash flow from operating activities also growing, as we can see over here. So the company has a strong balance sheet and strong fundamentals. Let's see shareholding pattern of the company. Let's see, this is, we have to see, very important. Promoters are holding 61.12, as you can see over here, and they have reduced, not reduced, 61.73. They have slightly increased their stake. FII, the foreign institutional investors, they were 0.01. Then they have in 2019 they increased a bit. Then now in 2021 it is 0.05, not much. Let's see DIIs, 0.02, and they have decreased their holdings. Public 38.85, and now it is 38.21. So public is constant. So the balance sheet and the fundamentals of the company are looking strong. But I'll give my final conclusion, people. 1 second. Okay, people, the company has given good returns in past. As we can see, the company is giving good returns. So by seeing this return, don't invest huge amounts in this company, because you never know what will happen in the stock market. So don't put all your eggs in one basket. You all know this. This is a cliche dialogue. Okay. So the company has given good returns in past, and the balance sheet of the company is also looking good. Fundamentals are also strong. So it is a good company to invest. You'll definitely get good returns, but invest with your own risk. Please do your own research, then only invest. This is not a buying recommendation. Do your own research. Please consult your financial advisor, then invest. Please don't invest huge amounts by seeing this video, by seeing the returns of the stock. Don't invest huge amounts. If you like the company, if you like the fundamentals, then you can invest a bit of your capital. And thank you for watching this video. If you like my content, then please do give a like and subscribe. And I'm continuously improving. If I have made some mistakes, please forgive me, and I'm improving. And thank you so much. Bye bye, people. Please do give a like. Bye bye.